Hello everybody, it's Tasha Neal Harris and I'm your car flip chick. You got it. On my show, like I said, you're not going to catch me pulling out nobody's hair weave or throwing no drinks in nobody's face. But you might see me throwing on some brake pads and pulling out a transmission. All right, let's get it. If you guys got any questions for me, hit me up at carflipchick@hotmail.com, or of course hit me up on my YouTube page. If you have any questions about your car, it's making this sound, it's doing this, just hit me up and I'll try to get to all your questions. But today, I'm going to cover a whole bunch of different things for us ladies, because my goodness, you know, we need somebody out there, representative, watching out for us, making sure everything goes well with our car and we don't get taken advantage of. So that's what I'm here for. Hey, turn up. Okay. Anyway, I've been getting a lot of phone calls. It's cold outside. Things are going to run crazy with your car. The number one phone call that I'm getting is my car won't start. That could be a lot of different reasons, but cold weather runs batteries crazy. So a lot of batteries are going dead right now. One of the most important things to keep in your trunk, ladies and fellas, is jumper cables, okay? So you can buy a set of jumper cables at any Napa, Advance, AutoZone, but make sure when you get them, don't spend $2.99 because you're going to get a $2.99 jump, okay? Get you some nice jumper cables. They should be thick. They should be nice and thick. The cord on it, you want it to be nice and thick because that's going to send, you know, more voltage through to jump your battery quicker. I suggest, and if you go to Car Flip Chick on YouTube, I'm going to show you how to jump a car too. But you want to get a nice pair of jumper cables. They may cost you about 29 bucks. But the things with jumper cables that I don't like is because you have to wait around for someone to give you a jump. And that's kind of weird. If you're at the gas station like, hey, mister, can you give me a jump? They ain't want to give you a jump, all right. So anyway, the best thing to get, I feel, especially for ladies, is to get what's called a jump box. Okay? It's a jump box or a jump pack, whatever you want to call it. It's going to cost you a little bit more, but it's the bomb because you don't have to wait on anybody to give you a jump. You can do it yourself. And then plus you'll have, like if your tire goes low, there'll be a little piece of equipment in the back that you can actually inflate your tire with. And then you'll have a light. So if you're outside, you can see. And then, of course, you can do your own jump by yourself without waiting for someone to help you. So these can cost anywhere between 50 to 170 and on up. This one that I have is 90 bucks, but it's so worth it. So once again, it's a jump pack or a jump box. Make sure that you guys get you one because it's the best thing to put into your trunk of your car. Also, it's good now that it's wintertime to have some windshield washer fluid. So when people are throwing that dirty, mucky, snowy stuff, and if you go to my YouTube page, I will also show you where to put this stuff because you want to make sure that you have this to clean your windshields. Okay, but most importantly, make sure that you have a jump box. If you jump your battery, which I'm going to show you how, if you jump it, and your car's still not starting, check out my YouTube page and I'll tell you some other type of things to let you know what could be wrong with your car, why it's not starting. This is Tasha Neal Harris. Peace. Car Flip Chick. I'm out.